Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add and enable free VPN on Windows 11. And for this we go to the start icon and then click on settings. Then network and internet and then click here on VPN. Then right now we click here on add VPN and then give your VPN a name. We call it just VPN. Then you need a server name or address, and for that we go to Google Chrome and we go to vpnbook.com, and then right now we search here for a VPN that we want to use. So let's say we want to use the UK 68 VPN right here. Then we first we select it and then do Ctrl C, go to settings and then fill it in here in the server name or address. Then do username and password, and then right now click here on save. Right now the VPN is not connected, and right now if you click on connect, you will get this window security where he's asking username and password. Now we go back to the website and we select the username and then do Ctrl C, and then we do Ctrl V here in username. Then we go back and we need to type in this code right here. So what we're gonna do is CF32 E5W, and now we do OK. So right now he's verifying your sign-in info. If you can see, the VPN is connecting right now, and in a few seconds this VPN will works perfectly. So right now, if you can see, if you click on the arrow, the VPN is working. And this is exactly how you can get a free VPN in just your Windows 11 software. If you want to end this VPN, click here on disconnect. Right there, and then he will disconnect the VPN, but that costs some time. So if you can see right here, now it's disconnected. So this is exactly how you can get or how to add and enable a free VPN on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.